ethical hacking techniques. Information gathering. What is information gathering? Information gathering often refers to as reconnaissance to the initial phase where an ethical hacker collects as much information as possible about the target system or network in Kali Linux, a specialized Linux distribution for penetration testing and ethical hacking. Various tools are available for this purpose, and there are some common techniques and tools used for information gathering, like network scanning, vulnerability scanning, web application scanning, DNS memorization, social networking, and information gathering frameworks. Now let's see in this video all about who is IP geolocation, ping, web archive, nmap, what web, traceroute. These are all the commands we're gonna try in on Kali Linux. First step is Whois. What is Whois? Whois is a protocol and database used to look up information about domain names, including registration details, ownership, and contact information. Domain ownership. Whois provides data about who owns a domain, including their contact details like name, email, and phone number. Register information. It also shows which register the domain was purchased through, facilitating communication between domain owners and registers. Administrative and technical contacts. OS also includes information on administrative and technical contacts associated with the domain, which can be crucial for resolving issues or inquiries. And last, domain status. Whois indicates the status of a domain, such as whether it's active, expired, or suspended, helping users understanding the current state of a website. In Kali Linux, we use the website whois.com. This is how the website looks. We search for savita.ac.in, and here is the output that we got. And next we are going to discuss about IP geolocation. IP geolocation, we have geolocation, and is a service that provides geolocation information based on an IP address, allowing users to identify the physical location of a device connected to the internet. Country and region. It offers data about the country, region, city, and postal code associated with an IP address, helping business target specific geographic regions for this service. ISP and connection. IP to location can determine the internet service provider and connection type, such as brand, board, or mobile of the IP address, network management, and security analysis. Latitude and longitude. It provides precise latitude and longitude coordinates corresponding to the IP address, enabling location-based services and map integration. Time zone. IP to location also includes the time zone information associated with the IP address, assisting in time-sensitive applications and content delivery. And yeah, here is the output we got using in ipgeolocation.com in Kali Linux. And next we are gonna discuss about a terminal command called ping. Network diagnosis tool. Ping is a network utility used to test the reachability of a host on an internet protocol that is called IP in short form network, and measure the route trip time for messages sent from the originating host to a destination computer. Echo request reply. It sends ICMP echo request packets to the target host and waits for an ICMP echo reply indicating whether the target host is reachable and responsive. Round trip time. Ping measures the time it takes for a packet to travel from the source to the destination and back again, providing an indication of network latency. Packet loss detection. Ping can detect packet loss by monitoring for missing ICMP echo replies, helping identify network connectivity issues and performance degradation. Diagnostic and troubleshooting. Ping is commonly used by network administrators and technicians to diagnose network problems, verify network connectivity, and troubleshoot connectivity issues. Here we use ping to ping google.com. In terminal, we search for savita.ac.in. Here is the output we got in Kali Linux. Web archive. In web archive, also known as the Wayback Machine, is an online digital archive that stores snapshots of web pages over time, allowing users to access historical versions of websites. Historical preservation. It preserves internet contents that may otherwise be lost due to website changes, deletion, or server failures. providing a valuable resource for researchers, historians, and the public. Browse past versions. Users can browse archive web pages by entering a URL and selecting from available dates, enabling them to view previous iterations of websites and track their evolution. Resource for legal and research purpose. Web Archive serves as your reference for legal investigation, academic research, and copyright disputes by providing evidence of past online content. Open access. The archive is freely accessible to the public, fostering transparency and promoting the prevention of digital culture and knowledge for future generations. And this is the website output we got in the Web Data Archive and the hosting savitha.ac.in. Nmap. Nmap is nothing but network mapper. Nmap is a versatile network scanning tool used to discover host and service on a computer network as well as create a map of the network topology. Port scanning. It conducts port scans to determine which ports are open, closed, or filtered on a target system, providing insights into potential vulnerabilities and service running on the network. OS detection. Nmap can detect the operating system of your target OS by analyzing various network characteristics and responses, aiding in network reconnaissance and security assessments. Scripting engine. It features a powerful scripting engine that allows users to automate and customize scanning tasks, enabling advanced network analysis and vulnerability detection. Security auditing. Nmap is commonly used for security and auditing penetration testing to identify security weakness, assess the effectiveness of security measures, and answer overall network security posture. This is the output for network mapping hosting by savitha.ac.in. What web? In what web? There are a web application director. What web is a reconnaissance tool to identify web technologies and frameworks powering a website, offering insights into its architecture and potential vulnerabilities. Fingerprinting. It analyzes HTTP address, HTML, and JavaScript to detect specific web server software, CNS platforms, programming languages, and plugins employed by the target site. Feature detection. What web identifies website features such as content management systems, e-commerce platforms, blogging software, and server-side scripting languages, aiding in targeted attacks or security assessments. Vulnerability assessment. By recognizing the technologies in use, what web helps security professionals access the security posture of your website, allowing them to identify known vulnerabilities associated with detected software versions. Automation and integration. What web offers automation capability through scripting and API integration, enabling seamless integration into security assessment workflows and providing scalable reconnaissance capabilities. This is the output we got in web.archive.org and by hosting by savitha.ac.in. Traceroute. A traceroute is a network diagnostic tool used to trace the route the data packet straight from the source computer to the specialized destination, revealing each hop along the way. Hop by hop analysis. It sends ICMP or UDP packets with increasingly real-time truly values, allowing it to record the IP addresses of intermediate routers or switches that the packets traverse. Round trip trim. This route measures the round trip time for each packet to reach a particular hop and return to the source, providing insights into network latency and performance. Path visualization. Traceroute displays the route taken by packets graphically or in a list format, helping users visualize network paths and identify potential bottlenecks or routing issues. Diagnosis and troubleshooting. It is commonly used by network administrators and technicians to diagnose connectivity problems, locate network faults, and optimize routing configurations for improved performance. And here is the output we got in Traceroute hosted by savitha.ac.in. That's it for today's video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.